I'm Matthew. I'm one of the strategic partner managers here at Dealfront, and in this playbook, you will learn how to use Dealfront's AI contacts feature to search for contacts based upon your buyer's role and/or responsibilities as well. We'll be able to build highly targeted contact lists for your ABM accounts, personalize outreach at scale, and ultimately boost your campaign match rates. Job titles in B2B tend to be pretty unreliable. They're inconsistent across companies and often don't reflect actual and true responsibilities. This often leads to missed opportunities, wasted outreach, and poor targeting. Instead of filtering based upon job title, what typically really matters is understanding who owns specific functions, like who owns paid acquisition or ESG reporting within a company. And traditionally, this insight required a lot of manual research, but that's very much changing. Dealfront's AI contacts enables role-based prospecting by letting you search for people based upon what they do and not just their job title. We can instead enter a plain language query, such as who runs lead generation in France or who manages outbound sales in the UK. And the AI scans job descriptions and company context to deliver the most high-fit contacts we can find. This makes it ideal for ABM campaigns, SDRs and account execs looking to build lists of prospects to reach out to, regional go-to-market, and partnership teams. We can simply describe the role and the AI will find the right contacts for us. Within the Dealfront platform, AI contact search is available across both Target, our company and contact database, and also Leadfeeder, our website visitor identification solution. For this particular short demo, we will use our Leadfeeder account, which is open in front of us currently. In this center console is where we can see all companies that have visited the website over a particular time frame or are associated to a particular custom feed as well. When we click into a company, that opens up the full company profile that contains all the infographics, firmographics, and behavioral insights we have associated to a company. Next to the overview is where we can find our contacts. When we open up the contacts tab initially, by default, this just shows us all of the contacts that we have within our database associated to this particular company. What we can do from here is start to leverage either the AI contact recommendations from Dealfront, or we can add in our own prompts in order to refine this list of contacts and find the most relevant people. When building out prompts, it's important to use as much natural language as possible. So prompts such as who is responsible for, find someone managing X, or show me someone leading XYZ function within the business will help us to refine these lists as best as possible. And we can also add in things like location cues for things like regional targeting and clarify things like desired seniority level 2. So to begin with, we'll add in a basic prompt to look at who manages the sales team. As soon as we click Get Recommendation, that will start the search, and this can take up to a couple of minutes. Great. Now, once the search is complete, first thing we'll get is a response. So this will just give us an overview of how many contacts have been found that are relevant. So in this particular example, it's 74. And what we can see in the table below is that now all of these contacts are relevant to our initial prompt. So now we're looking at the sales directors, enterprise sales directors, and VPs as well. From this point onwards, as we can see, we still have quite a large list, so we can start to add in some additional filters to further refine this list of results. These filters can be added as part of the prompt, or they can be added afterwards. So as an example, we can apply a filter relating to the countries where the contacts are from, or we can look at particular hierarchy levels as well. So if we were to apply an additional country filter, and say the United States, as soon as we plug that in, that will then further refine this list of results. One thing to mention with regards to the prompt that we've created, we can choose to save these prompts so that we can then use them on other companies across your entire account, just so you don't have to prompt each and every individual time. Once we're happy with the list of contacts that we've built, we then want to start distributing this data to the right place. There's a few different ways we can do that. So we can choose to select individual contacts or bulk select all of the contacts within the list. If our CRM is integrated, we can choose to push all of these leads or contacts in bulk straight through to the CRM. We can generate an export file that will be sent to your email, add the contacts to a list that can be used across the entirety of your Dealfront account, or if we would like to try and find more contact information, we can perform a further enrichment using some of our third-party enrichment providers as well. So, in summary, what you can expect from switching from title-based prospecting to role-based targeting is going to be higher reply rates, better engagement, increased match quality for your ABM campaigns, and faster access to real buyers as well. For more insights on how to utilize the AI-powered contact search, you can check out the full playbook down below. And of course, if you have any questions, please do reach out to a member of our team. Thanks for watching.